works. The MCC allows for a home buyer to take 20% of the mortgage interest they pay each year as a direct tax credit. This tax credit is good each year for as long as that home buyer stays in the loan. In addition, the potential buyer can use these extra funds as income to go towards their ability to qualify for a loan, which essentially gives them more purchasing power.
For example, on a $250,000 home in today's market, a homeowner would typically pay approximately $12,000 in mortgage interest in the first year. With the MCC program, this homeowner would receive a tax benefit of 20% of that interest, or approximately $2,400 in additional tax refund for that year. In this example, that could be an extra $200 a month in income, giving the homebuyer the ability to buy an additional $10,000 to $20,000 in price for the home that they choose to do so. The requirements for this program are actually fairly simple. You must first be a first-time homebuyer, meet the maximum household income limits for your county, which are usually about $80,000 to $90,000 for a 1 to 2 person household. You must also attend a recognized homebuyer class in the state of Washington, and you must also, last but not least, work with a participating MCC lender. It's also important to point out that you cannot use this program along with any other house key state bond program. If you'd like more information about the MCC program, feel free to email me at pross@guildmortgage.net.
Please feel free to share this video with friends, family, or anyone who may be interested in buying a home. If this is your first time viewing this blog and would like to receive more weekly video tips and updates, please subscribe on the upper right-hand side of this page by simply inputting your email address and clicking submit. That's it for this week's segment of LoanGo2Guy. Until next time, make it a great week.